northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern St. Joseph County, Indiana, eastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Marshall County, Indiana, southeastern LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near North Liberty to near La Crosse, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. A 55 miles per hour wind gust was recorded at the LaPorte Automated Weather Station at 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Bremen, Knox, Walkerton, North Liberty, Culver, Hamlet, Lakeville, Coons Lake, Oak Grove, La Paz, Ober, Tea Garden, Brems, Crumbstown, Tyner, Hibbard, Winona, Donaldson, and Linkville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph